up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I already am starting with my foundation already done, my base, because I already tried to do another video before this and it was a complete absolute total fail. So it's 4:22 in the morning right now. I'm delusional, I need to go to sleep, but let's get this show on the road. Oh my gosh, the more I try to fix my eyebrows, the more they look like Instagram eyebrows. Take this shade right here on my Morphe M4 333. Pat it onto the eye, you know the drill. I'm gonna take the shade right under what we just used. This is a K18 brush. I don't know, I got it from the beauty supply. Not the beauty supply, it's like a swap meet. I don't know, you know where they sell like the fake makeup inside of those little swap meet looking stores? That's where I got it from. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M153 and dip into this little turquoise shade right here. Look at her. Who is she? Who is she in my mirror?
Who is this person in my mirror? In my mirror? Who is she? Who is she?
Now my Morphe M506, I'm going to take this royal blue shade right here with that Morphe M506, get back into that burgundy shade right here. I'm going to take some setting powder and kind of clean up the outer edges of this look. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use that same burgundy on a pencil. Now off camera, I'm going to add some white eyeliner to my lower lash line because I can't do it on camera because my eyes get watery, so I'll be back. So this is what you get when you add your white eyeliner to your lower lash line. I'm going to take my Morphe M508 with that turquoise shade that we used earlier, and then you literally just stamp it into the area where you put your white eyeliner, and then it'll give you that effect that you have colored eyeliner on. I'm also going to add that shade into my inner corner. Alright y'all, so I did my other eye off camera because my camera shut off. Okay, go into this shade right here and pop it on top of that turquoise blue we already have going on, just to brighten it up a bit. All right, y'all, she looking kind of cute so far. I'm gonna pop on some lashes, then I'll be right back so that we can finish off the look. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I did something cute after I put my lashes on. By the way,
just go to make them for money off.
anyways, I'm taking my NYX Liquid Crystal body liner in the shade Crystal Glow. If you look up close, they kind of look like tiger stripes across my blue, which is not really what I was going for, but it's kind of cute. I'm just going to take that liner and just go back and forth, like alternating layers, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that that's dried down, we're going to go onto lips. I'm going to line my lips with K from ColourPop. And then I'm going to go in with Flat Out Fabulous by MAC. It's just like a hot pink kind of purple shade. This is cute and playful, but I'm not really feeling it. Why did I do lipstick before doing my face anyway? Moving on to bronzer and contour, I'm going to use Morphe Bronztour in the shade Fantabulous. I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and then add some highlight on after. Back to the lips again, using lip liner in K by ColourPop. Using NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Meet Me in Milan. Then adding some lip gloss on top of that. Boom, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you made it this far, leave me dolphins in the comment. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below little dolphin emojis or the word dolphin, and I'll shout you out on my Instagram page. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you are new to the channel and you're a new sub, so I can also show you love. And I'll see you guys in my next video.